What's up, people? I'm back again, and today is kind of a frustrating video. Today I'm gonna talk to you about my Insta360 1X, which is one of my favorite gadgets in a long time. This 360 camera does a lot, but today I'm gonna talk to you about what happened to mine.
Oops.
Again.
Oh no.
Let's go. So those of you who have paid attention to my videos and watched a couple of my other ones, you will know that the Insta360 1X is my favorite camera right now. I am in love with this thing. I love what it does. I love how easy it is. And it is frustrating to come to you with this news today. It really is. If you saw my previous video, I suffered a cutout on my Kingsong 16X EUC while riding seated in Boston.
So you just, let me see.
No,
Wow.
the other side.
Oh my gosh, man.
Wait,
Some
but
people
the
destroyed it. No, this one's destroyed too.
it's not even 2 weeks old.
The truck ran over it, right?
Truck said, whoa.
If you did not see that video, I'll pop that in the cards up above. But when I suffered that cutout, my lovely Insta360 went flying out of my hands, slid into the lane, and was run over by an 18-wheeler, leaving it unusable. If you can see, I don't know if you can see the pole, but the pole itself is no longer cylindrical. It's not round. It's an oval. It was squished and flattened, pancaked. You can see the lenses. This lens on this side is shattered and open. This lens on this side is completely gone.
Wow.
You can see that it sits at an angle now after being crushed. That truck crushed it really well, and there's nothing I could do about it. Luckily, the truck ran over my camera and not me, so I was happy about that. Very happy about that. I went online and I bit the bullet and I said, you know what, I gotta get another one. So I bought just the camera itself and saved a couple of dollars, but still it's steep to buy it once again. So then I'm back in business. I got another camera, an Insta360. I'm back on the road. Let's go, right? I'm happy. And then a couple days ago, I was riding with my new Insta360 1X, and I rode into a skate park in Northampton. Now the skate park, it's a little skate park, but I'd never been in there, and I thought it was pretty cool, so I figured I'd go in, film some of the people that are in there, you know, go up and down a couple of little ramps, you know, nothing too crazy, because I also suffered a minor cutout on a pump track that made me a little wary there too. So as I entered this little skate park, there's one skater in there, and he's right near the entrance. As I come in, he's doing tricks, trying to jump up on a rail, and he looks at me, I look at him, and we go to say hi, and he jumps up on the rail. As I'm saying hi to him, he's saying hi to me. His board kicks out right in front of my wheel, stops my wheel, I go flying, and my camera goes flying as well. That's right, camera number 2 goes flying. It seemed like slow motion. No, I tried. I was recording at the time that I fell the second time. I got a little clip here I can show. I was so upset. And then camera number 2 went flying, and it suffered damage to the housing. It's cracked and open here. This lens is damaged and cracked, visibly damaged all the way across. This lens is cracked and damaged all the way across. So both of my Insta360 1X cameras are ruined. So I'm very upset. because I definitely don't have the money to just throw at these things. Yes, I get gadgets as I can. I work a lot of overtime trying to afford all these things, and this particular camera has been the love of my gadget existence right now, and now it is gone. So I am hoping, I am praying that somebody watching this video, I know I'm a very small YouTuber and I don't have a big audience at this time, and but I'm hoping somebody sees this video that can help. Somebody, if you have a connection with Insta360, or if you work for Insta360, please reach out, because I would love to get a replacement camera for the 2 that I've already bought. I just started making a lot of content with these, and I haven't even edited so much of it, and now the camera's gone, so I can't get some of the finishing shots that I was planning on. That's my frustration. That's what's driving me crazy right now. The fact that I have 2, that's right, 2 of these cameras and can't use them at all. So that's it. I just wanted to share my frustration with you. Those of you, if you're YouTubers, filmmakers, and you know, yeah, I know you can feel my pain. I know you know how frustrating it is when you get a piece of gear that you are really into and you're really loving, and something like this happens. I don't even know where to go from here. I'm just frustrated and stressed. I mean, not that I don't love my GoPro, because I love my GoPro. I was using the GoPro Hero 7, and soon I'll be using the Hero 8. I might end up going to the GoPro Max, because that has the 360 as well. It doesn't have the same capabilities as this one, and my real question is, I don't know how good the app is going to be. From the reviews that I've seen, the app is decent, just not as good and as easy as the Insta360 app. But the thing is, GoPros are more rugged, and I think that's the downfall right now of the Insta360 One X, is it's just not rugged. It can't take a fall, it can't take any kind of abuse, and GoPro has done a hell of a job in making sure that their cameras take abuse. They're made for action. So I really think I may end up going that way if I can't get these replaced. I did see that they also have the protruding lenses, but they come with lens caps. But from what I understand, then the quality isn't as good, so I don't know that you would really use the lens caps or covers anyway, so you would probably be in the same boat. But I'm sure that the housing would take a better pounding than this, because they're designed as an action camera. So I may end up going that route just because of the natural progression of things. I'm loving 360, but I'm not loving how destructible these cameras are. I really would like my cameras more rugged, because of the things that I do, just in case I need them, and I know you feel the same way. So comment down below, have you dropped your Insta360? Has your camera cracked or broken? Let me know. Weigh in and let me know. What do you think? Should I stick with the Insta360, or should I go with the GoPro Max and give that a shot? Let me know what you think. Alright, that's all I got for you today. I wanted to share my frustration with you and maybe get a virtual hug for my 2 cameras. Please go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you're notified when I make new videos. Until next time, enjoy those gadgets. Be sure to ride safe with all your gear. And until I see you again, peace.